This one then, this one I will be finding all the sides, all the angles, as well as not limited to the diameter of a possible circle for this triangle. So this is how it goes. This is number 4 from the exercise. It says given A is 9 meters, C is 12 meters, angle C is 12.5 degrees. So you're to find all the missing sides and angles of this triangle. So I'm gonna draw a sketch. I'm gonna draw a sketch of this. So this is C, which is opposite C is 12. This is A, so opposite A is gonna be 9. Sorry, meters, not centimeters, meters. And this angle is the 12.5 degrees. So this is gonna be B, okay? So the first thing I want is this right here, X, okay? Since I want X, I will say, okay, using, let me make this bigger. Using sine rule, I am looking for an angle and I have C. So I'll say sine of C over C equals sine of A over A. And I'll put in my values. So 12.5 sine of 12.5 over 12 meters equals sine of A, which I do not know, over 9 meters. Question so far? Everybody with me?
Sir, it matter if you put the sine C over C first or the sine A over A first?
Yes, you always start with what you know and you're going towards what you don't know. All right? Always. Because you have to have money before you start spending it. Unless you're a millionaire, then you could spend and then pay back somehow. All right? Does that answer your question, guys? And notice for the first one, we were looking for a side, so the side goes at the top and the angle goes underneath. In this one, we're looking for the angle, so the angle goes at the top and the letter goes underneath. So the format of the equation will tell us, hey, I am looking for this. Okay? Guys? You with me? Guys? Yoo-hoo!
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. All right, so I cross multiply. So I'm gonna have that sine A is equal to 9 meters times the sine of 12.5 degrees over 12 meters. So I can bring it down if I want, and I will, just for kicks. The meters will cancel. 3 can go into 9 3 times, and 3 can go into 12 4 times. So I have value there, right? Now notice, all right, A is equal to, for me to find this answer, I'm gonna need my number log table. This is where you take out that 3-figure table. So this is my numerator. So I put 3 sine of 12.5, the numerator space, and 4. I know this is gonna be 0. I know this is gonna be 0. I'm almost certain this is gonna be bar 1. So let's go to our 3-figure tables, guys. Look for, on the log table, look for 3.00. What do you get?
0.477.
That's right. Try to remember that. 4 is gonna be 602. Am I right? Yes,
Yes,
or
sir.
no? All right. So now turn 2 pages down to where it says log of sine table. and look for 12.5. How much is that?
Bar 0.335.
Bar 1.335. Excellent. So let's add. 7 plus 5 is 12. 1 and 7 and 3 is 11. 4 and 1 is 5 and 3 is 8. And I put the bar 1. Right? So now I will subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0. Yes? 1 minus 0 is 1. 8 minus 6 is 2. And bar 1 minus 0 is simply bar 1. Do you agree? Guys?
Yes, sir.
All right. So now I will antilog, but since it is an angle, I must keep the characteristic and the mantissa together. So I will go within the table, right in here, and I'll find bar 1.201. So if you look at 14, it says bar 3. If I look at 10, it says bar 1.240. So that's too much. So I go to 9. I see 9.3 is bar 1.208. And right next to it, I have bar 1.213. So I'm going to have to take that one. All right. So my answer here will be 9.4 degrees to 1 decimal place. So 9.4 degrees to 1 dp. Questions, guys?